Welcome to the grind mga kababy. It's indeed a very good morning as you see. And kakagising ko pa lang. It's around 5:45. Grabe. Sarap pa ng pakiramdam. At ganito. Ayan. Sarapin din. This is so beautiful mga kababy. I just recently unboxed the Renault 5. Anyhow, I just wanted to enjoy the place mga kababy. The view mga kababy. So good. I just wanna say na kapag kay Lord ka and na-appreciate mo yung magawa ni Lord, hindi ka sad boy mga kababy. You'll never ever be sad boy kapag na kay Lord ka. Ganda talaga eh, paraiso eh oh. Nalo mga kapitid. I can film it like this. Na POV yung dating. Alright. Later on I'm going to change vehicles again. I'm going to use Toyota Rush and I'll be returning this Hyundai Accent to the owner. Big shout out to the owner. Ang saya lang ng pakiramdam kasi nag-drive kami ni Mrs. Gamit niya si Monty and gamit ko to. So I just reached 400 subscribers. Thanks to all my friends. Thanks na rin sa mga nag-comment, sa mga nagpa-shout out, sa mga nag-like ng videos ko. Kayo yung rason kung bakit I continue to upload videos that I love doing actually. I pretty love doing my videos. I love driving. I love motorcycle riding. And yun yung nagpapasaya sa akin. For me mga kapipip, God will provide kapag may kinakailangan ka. And kapag na kay Lord ka, hindi ka sad boy mga kapipip. Just trust me, hindi ka sad boy. By the way, a real big shout out kay Dion. Ninong siya ng aking anak. If you feel so kind mga kapipip, please subscribe on his channel. And pamonetize na siya mga kapipip. So if you like Eliza Valdez, you can view his videos over here, right here. And I'll link in the description as well. I just wanna say thank you to him kasi may ginawa siyang something really great. Hindi ko na lang sasabihin kung ano yun, pero may ginawa siyang something really great to me. That's why I reached 400. And by the way, sa mga nanonood, thank you sa inyo. Thank you na rin sa mga nag-like, sa mga nag-comment, nag-shoutout. Thank you so much. I'll be celebrating today with my Monster Energy drink. And as you see mga kabibi, it's a little bit foggy right now. Ganda lang talaga ng creation ni Lord para sa atin. You should believe all the time. And if you guys don't know, I started at 300 na whenever I up 100 subscribers, I'm going to celebrate with Monster Energy drink. So today, I'll be drinking Monster Energy drink again. Hindi ako makapasok kasi sa bahay kasi nakalock. Wala kasi sila misis doon. And I'll be buying Monster Energy drink to celebrate today. That's how I celebrate mga baby. Ang energy drink, grabe ang ganda. Ganda talaga, panalo. Anim. sa Mindanao mga kabibi, pagpasensyahan nyo na. It's totally different here. Ang ganda. I mean, look at that mountains. Ang ganda panalo I wish kita siya ng camera kasi para sa akin it's so beautiful. We're so blessed. We are so thankful mga kapilip na may nagagamit kami sa sasakyan. And thank you na rin sa aking 400 subscribers. Maraming salamat. Grabe. Solid tayo mga kapilip. Pangat na pangat Ganda talaga ng bundok kahit foggy o hindi, maganda yung bundok. Maganda yung scene ng bundok. Look at that area. Panalo. Sige, kalikutin mo muna. Ano, madali lang magamitin? Android user ka
Android, madali lang.
Madali lang, nahihirapan ako Comment down below mga kapipip, what do you think? Which one is much more easier to use? Apple product or Android product? So para sa akin, Apple product kasi napaka-simple lang ng magagamitan mo. Wala siyang gaanong apps, walang complications, walang kung ano-anong kalikot or displays na kalikot ang gagawin mo. Para sa akin, masasabi ko talagang easy to use or user friendly si iPhone. But comment down below, what do you think mga kabibib? Is it iPhone or is it an Apple product or is it an Android product na madaling magamit or user friendly kumbaga? So we just tried something from Oppo Reno 5 today. Kahit na may alog, may pagka-steady siya. Pwede mo siyang ilaban sa LiDAR ng iPhone 12. So I think it's better. I'm very sure that it's going to be a better vlogging camera if we're going to compare it with my iPhone 11. But one thing I like about iPhone 11 is kapag nakatapat siya sa mukha ko, natural yung labas, hindi siya masyadong maputi. Yun lang naman yung reklamo ko kay Oppo Reno 5. Masyado akong maputi or maputla kapag nag-vlog ako. So let's see what we can adjust with that one, and let us just appreciate yung gawa ni Lord. Grabe, it's so beautiful. I mean, look at that. Panalong lugar So yun mga kabibib, I'm using Toyota right now. And ayun, kakapalit lang namin ng sasakyan. And wala lang talaga akong gagawin yun. I just wanna celebrate and thank the Lord na tumaas ng 100 plus na subscribers yung channel ko in less than 1 month. And I'm happy because of that kasi nakikita na talaga yung hard work ko kumbaga. So ayun, let's keep on doing it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Libre po ito, wala pong maniningil sa inyo o tatawag o text na marami na kayong utang. So are we sending it? Let's see if kaya. I don't think we can speed up kasi medyo lockdown ngayon, medyo nag-strict na ang Mindanao. Maraming ang nagpapasaway ngayon in regards of COVID. So yun, I don't believe we can send it right here, pero we can try. Like I said, we can try. 120, here we go. 140, here we go. Here we go. Forester IXV, maganda yung Subaru na yan Alright, let's go. $140 on a normal highway. This is not expressway, by the way mga kapipip. It's a normal highway. We need to stop. 150, that's totally fine already for me. Pwede natin ang bulin pagpaligsan si Navarra. Yun pa naman yung nag-silent break kanina. Tangiya. Alright, let's do this. Sorry. Si Navarra na nagpasan natin. Bye-bye, Navarra. Balik siya eh. Oo. Balik siya kasi may ano sa daan eh. Grabe, ang bilis niya. And it's so easy to handle. Alright, Toyota. By the way, I'm the one who's driving. I'm not professional. I'm not a race car driver. Pero damn, Toyota. You gotta send me one of these. Yung purebred Toyota talaga. And let's see how fast it is. Toyota Rush pa lang, panalo na eh. Trying to stand anymore. Kasi may ambulance sa harapan ko. And kanina pa siya nagpapatunog ng sirena niya. So, sirena. Siren. So, we'll try to maintain the speed na lang. Grabe, bumibilis talaga siya eh. Yes, 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 yes. Pag si Lord pinili mo, masarap sa pakiramdam. 400 na mga kabibip. Alright, get out.